Hello, all you beautiful people out there. This is Najma Razvi. So, I'm going to show you how to do facial at home today. So, it will be having like in facial, you have steps like cleansing, scrub, steam, massage, and face pack. So, let's get started with that. I'm going to do everything with products from the house, natural things, and the main thing among all of them will be aloe vera. So, let's get started. So let's get started with the cleanser. So I have added 1 spoon of aloe vera gel in there, and now I'm adding 1 spoon of raw milk. So you're going to mix that well. It depends on like if you are trying to do like more than one person, you can add according to that, but the cleanser needs to have aloe vera gel and milk in the same quantity. So try and use raw milk. So I have mixed that cleanser well, and that's how it's looking. So I'm just going to make sure your hands are clean, and then you're just going to apply it on your face. This is to cleanse your face and remove any makeup or any dirt or anything if you have on your face, so that your face is clean and ready for facial. When you apply cream, you can apply like however you want, but when you're massaging and everything, you need to go upwards. So just do like a little bit of massage to clean it well for like 2 minutes or something like that. As I had no makeup and also I'm not going out, so I don't think I need a lot of cleansing. So I'm just going to take this wipe and just going to wipe off the cleanser. Make sure you always use pack or cleansing or anything, whatever you're using, on your neck as well. I'm just going to wipe off everything. So there you have a clean face to get started. And next will be scrub. Let's go and see how we are going to make the scrub. So the scrub, so I have added 2 spoons of aloe vera gel in that and 1 spoon of sugar. So the sugar granules is going to help us remove the dead skin, and that's the scrub. It is very simple, and let's go ahead and scrub our face. So I have the scrub ready, and that's how the scrub is looking. So we are going to go ahead and scrub our face. And pimple prone skin, try and avoid, but that's as this has only half quantity of sugar, it's not very harsh on the skin. So if you don't have a lot of pimples, you can, if you want to scrub, but just for like a minute or so, not a lot, and you shouldn't be harsh at all. So I'm scrubbing my face now. The sugar granules help you to scrub that face and remove the dead skin, and at the same time the aloe vera is going to help you soothe the skin. Scrub it quite well. You can go until here. The way I am doing massage is how it works for me. So I am not a professional. If you guys have your tricks of doing massage, you can go ahead and do like that. And this facial is for all skin types. Everyone can do. If you can do it for once in 15 days or once a week to do deep cleaning, as all of us need something to do in the house now. All the parlors are closed, and I have been getting requests like this. So we are done with scrubbing. So again, I'm going to take this cotton pad here and get that off my skin. Next will be steam. I'm going to take a hot towel. I'll show you how, but if you guys want to take steam, either you can boil water in a bowl, or if you have a steamer, just go ahead and take. And if you have a pimple prone skin, it's very good to take steam. So I'm just going to wipe that off completely. Next step will be steam. So let's just go ahead and do that. So there we are done with scrubbing. So now I have got hot towel here. So it's I dipped it into very hot water. So it's very hot actually. This hot water is equal to taking steam. So next what we are going to do is we are going to make the massage cream and massage the face. Okay, so as we are done with the hot towel, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cream to massage our face. So that's the next step. So I have already added 1 spoon of honey, as you can see there, and I'm adding 2 spoons of aloe vera. So you need to mix that. I already added 1 spoon before, so it's 2 spoons of aloe vera and 1 spoon of honey. Let's go ahead and massage with this now. Okay, so now we are going to massage. As I said, this is the cream in a gel form what we have now. So it's honey and aloe vera gel. It's smelling delicious. So let's go ahead and massage with this. So I'm going to apply on my face first. We are going to massage for like 3 minutes with this. So apply it all over. As I said, this is the way I massage. It works for me. So if you guys want, you can follow the same steps, or if you want to massage your way, you can go ahead and massage as you like. So all you girls who are worried about taking care of yourself at home, so here I hope I'm helping you guys with all this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like that. Either you can use this hand or that one or both, just to do that. And then I'm going to use my knuckles here. Neck is equally important. Just massage your neck as well. And then you can just tap your skin like that a little bit. Try to pull your skin up, forehead, everything. You're never going to massage downwards. You're always going to massage like that, even your. So you can do the massage. So I'm done massaging. I massaged for 3 minutes. You can massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Just wipe that off. The next step is mask. So I'm going to show you how you make the mask. So wipe that off as well. Don't wash your face in between the process. You're just going to wipe it off and you're going to apply the next thing. So now let's prepare the mask and apply that.